pop-up boats, and we both made them the same way using half of a plastic container. And I covered mine with tin foil, but Erin did not. And then we put our engines in so the straws were connected to the bottom and they could be submerged underwater. And then our engine obviously on top. And we made little candle holders so the flame could be right underneath the engine in order for it to work.
And we made the engines out of soda cans, and we folded them in specific ways so that it was closed off, and then we epoxied it so that there were no air holes, so that when the steam was in the engine that it could work.
Our engine. To get the engine to work, first you prime it so you have water inside of it. Then you light this nice little candle. The candle, the flame, convectionally heats the aluminum of the engine, which in turn heats up from the transfer of energy. The water inside that is touching the engine is conductionally heated. I don't think that's a word. Conduction. By conduction it is heated, and that water heats up and flash boils, and that, by flash boiling, the one drop of water can expand to about 1,000 times its size into steam. So and
expands. The pressure in the engine causes the water to shoot out through the straws. And once it comes out of the straws, it cools down, which makes it contract, and so gets sucked back into the straw. So it's a process of getting the water shot out and then contracted back in, so then it moves in a putting way.
Did you enjoy making these pop-pop boats?
Yes, it was a lot of fun. It was kind of difficult because some steps wouldn't work, or the epoxy wouldn't dry, or you had holes, but that kind of made it better. Because then when it worked, it was a lot, it was a feeling of accomplishment.
All right. Do you feel that you got educational value from it?
Yeah, I know how it works, and that's pretty cool. And if he'd explained it in a classroom setting, or where we didn't have to make it or build it or have it work, then I wouldn't have gotten it, or I wouldn't have paid attention or cared as much. How did you feel about this project?
I love this project. It was so cool. I got to make a boat. I bragged to everybody about it. I made a boat in physics class, which was really cool. And knowing how the engine works and the whole educational value of it was really awesome. And Mr. Childs has a really good way of putting the learning in our hands instead of sitting us in a classroom and all of us not paying attention and taking notes. It just didn't work. And instead we get to hands-on learn how to make things work and how to engineer things in trial and error. And it was just a really cool experiment.
Do it fast. Go, 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 You're on fire. You're on fire, Keegan. Fire is also the